This is just a very short video because we've had a couple of Adaptable users ask us over the last week actually how to do the same thing, which is to save open row groups in a layout. So if you have row grouping and you open a couple of groups, how can you ensure that when you reload Adaptable they stay open? So I thought I would just do a video to show how that's done. So this is in our documentation, it's on the grouping page, and if you go to expanded row groups, we explain what the two steps are. So the first thing you need to do is in layout options, you need to set display row groups to dynamic, and then once you've done that, you can then automatically save any row groups in the layout. So any row groups that are open will be saved in the layout, or in fact you can define them yourself. So if we quickly look at that in layout options. So if we go to display row groups, we can see that there's three properties it can take. Closed, which is the default, and that means all row groups will always be closed. Expanded, the opposite, all row groups will automatically open irrespective for both of what was previously saved. And then dynamic, which is the one you will want to set in this use case, where Adaptable will save the expanded row groups and reopen them. And in fact, there's a little demo here. So in this demo, if we have a look at the code, we can see we've set display row groups to dynamic, and we can say that we've said for this layout, we want to open it on JavaScript and in fact on JavaScript MIT license. And that's exactly what's happened here. It's open on JavaScript and then the MIT license. And then Adaptable will now, because it's dynamic, save that. So for instance, if we go into the menu and we expand them all, and we go into this layout and then we come back into this layout, we can see they're all expanded. And likewise, if we collapse them all, but this time we say open TypeScript, and again we do the same thing, we come out of the layout, we go back into the layout, and you can see TypeScript's opened. So it's as simple as that. Set display row groups to dynamic, and then Adaptable will do all the rest. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching, and as ever, please get in touch if you've got any questions or queries about using Adaptable.